Presenting Noise Buds VS104 Bluetooth in-ear earbuds in the color charcoal black. The product comes in 4 color variants as charcoal black, midnight blue, mint green and snow white. In the box you will find 1N Bluetooth headphone, 1N charging case, 1N charging cable, 1N user manual, 1N warranty registration card. The product dimensions are 35 by 2 by 1 cm and it weighs 35 grams. You can mix-match the ear tips with the buds to suit your style. These earbuds are wireless product. The full touch control features let you control your playlists, call and activate the voice assistants with ease. Hear every single hit on the right note every single time via the 13mm speaker driver. True bass ensures that you can hear every single detail whether you are watching a movie or listening to music. Up to 30 hours of playtime provides a day full of music and then some more. Enjoy 150 minutes of playtime in just 10 minutes of Insta charge. Simple Type-C charging ensures effortless charging and uninterrupted entertainment. News updates to cricket scores, ask Siri and Google Assistant for anything under the sun. Tune lag-free and fuss-free connection with Bluetooth version 5.2. IPX5 water resistance technology makes these buds waterproof no matter what kind of activity you prefer. HyperSync technology makes the earbuds ready to pair and play as soon as they are taken out of the case. This product comes with standard brand warranty.